YouTube. Sorry, it's been a few days since I've done any type of filming, and I figured I'd give you an update. I now have the baby back. It's very exciting. I'm now back out on this bike. I don't know. Those of you who know me know that by the time this is posted, I'll have well had the bike back. Most of you don't even know that it has been gone. They did when I picked up the bike, it was doing a little bit of a jerking motion. It's basically overly sensitive to the throttle, to the point where I would hit a bump or my hand would shake ever so slightly and it would do all sorts of funny stuff. So we brought it to the mechanics, had them look at it. Turns out that there was a update available. Now, normally this is just no big deal. Like, it's just, hook it up to the computer, install the updates, yada, yada, yada. Well, this bike, I should say, decided that it was not going to accept the update. Not sure if it was my bike or whatever, but it was just literally saying that there was no update available, even though there was an update. And it was verified, but both the dealership and Yamaha, for some reason, their computer was not seeing it. So I ended up I took the bike into the dealership, had them look at it. They had it for a few days. They called Yamaha, and Yamaha never got back to them. So in the end, I decided I was going to take a little bit more control over the situation, and I called Yamaha and asked them why they weren't getting back to the dealership, because the dealership makes them money. So why wouldn't you? The customers make you money too, but dealership actually makes you a wee bit more money, Like, they're the ones who sell your bikes. Yeah, they make themselves some money, but they make you a hell of a lot of money. So, well, in the end, they do take customer service, very important for the end user. And they ended up, after about 15 minutes of me talking to them, they had called and made arrangements with the dealership to have one of their techs talk with the tech at the dealership. So it worked out really well, but it took several days for them to realize that it was an issue. What the issue was, had to go back and forth between them and Yamaha, and by the time it was done, the bike's working magnificently now, and I love it. But it took a few days just to get it to where it needs to be. But I am happy that at least it was taken care of. It wasn't told so bad, so sad, you have to take it someplace else because you were too late. So I'll be going in later this week to make sure that I change over the registration of this bike in Yamaha servers over to myself. Right now, I guess it's apparently still under the previous owner. That's not going to stay that way. What's the point of this look at this car. That is so cool. That's an awesome car you have. Thank you. That was a cool car. As I'm saying, cool car, he is saying to me, awesome bike. So we both have a mutual appreciation for technology, I guess. His being a little bit older, but you know what? It is a beautifully maintained car. Any of you car people out there know what that is? I know it's old. I don't know how old, whether it's, I don't even know what it is. The only one that I kind of know that's an older vehicle, that I don't know what it looks like, but I know what it is, I know about it, is the Model A, and I'm pretty certain it's about that time frame. I would say around that time frame, maybe a little, no, around that time frame. It's funny, when I was at the mechanics the other day, I asked them for a little bit of information about the bike and how to ride it. And they told me never, ever, ever, when I'm riding around, to be under a certain amount. I can go all the way up to my rev limiter, but never be under. I thought that was kind of funny. Bumpity, 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 bumpity. I'm not sure what this person has on the back of their helmet, but I want to know. This is the light. I came down here the other day, and I'm not sure what happened. I straight up just spaced out and went right through that one, and I don't know why. So I'm not a person who breaks the law that way, because that's just a stupid way to do it. No, a little bit of extra speed is one thing, but to straight up like run a red or run, oh, and I'm gonna run. Nah, I really wanted to see what was on that helmet. Not gonna see it now. They're gonna be long gone. They're right though. The accelerating is the better part, and then once you're going, you just kind of go, yada yada. Uh-oh. Hello. You're halfway out of the driveway, Blecka. You might not want to do that. Oh, there's a fancy vehicle for you.